Yo, when was the last time Reebok made jerseys? There's a Reebok NFL jersey here? What the hell is going on? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. These Ross videos have been a hit or miss. I have a love-hate relationship with them. I have found some heat though. Let's go. Intro took like 18 takes. What the heck? All right. Go see what's up with this Ross. After work in the evening. Dude got a medium horn jersey. We've seen these a million times go for $4. We've seen these Hawaiian shirts too. Hawaiian shirts normally $85 down to $20. Dude got a Nike vest if you need to go swimming. $90 down to freaking $25. Vests really aren't my thing though. Don't really understand them. Then another Panthers jersey. Dude got a Burns in the size small. Pretty decent looking Adidas pullover. Don't know the regular price. $25 for it though. Not bad. Kind of small obviously. Under Armour pullover $35. Then a Nike hoodie, super thin. Normally $55 down to $30. Most of the sneaker section pretty full. Do they got heat though? Do got some Puma Romas. These are size 9. $25 for those. Got some skate highs going for $37. Got more skate highs right here, $37 for these. Made out of felt or something. And it does have all the Velcros and stuff like that. I'm surprised it has all that stuff with it still. That's definitely a surprise. Some platforms, Vans right here going for $37. There's some D-Rose right here. $25 for these. These are all like size 8 or something like that. Got some Under Armour trainers I've never seen before. $40 for these. Dude got some Nikes right here. Nike Cocoonies. That boy's going for $60. Holy cow. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. $65. That's the size 12. More of these Under Armour trainers going for $40. We've definitely been seeing a ton of Brooks Ghost. Hey, they charging $65 for them though. Kind of high. I've been looking for some Crocs. These are bright. A little too bright for my blood or my kiddo. My kiddo's not gonna want this. $25 though. $25. Not bad. Being that Crocs are damn near $60 now. Damn. More skate highs right here. First time we're seeing Hokas. Gonna see plenty of these go for $80. Starting to see more Crocs. Okay. I don't think my kids oh, these are size 12s. These are way big. $25. They got some 15s right here. 13s right here. Got some 12s right there. Size 11 and 13. So it looks like just bigger sizes. Dude got some of these. Some Forum highs right here going for $45. Some size 9s right here. I don't know if my kid will like this color though. $25 for these. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna like purple. Then extra big feet gang. Actually, these ain't even that big. 13, not too big. $45 for these. That's not bad. Superstar size 16 right here go for $40. And then of course we've seen our plethora of these go for $90 in the huge sizes, 16 plus. Oh, and then we can't ignore like the size 18. I think the size 18. Dude got playoffs right there. Checking out the women's section. Dude got some Pure Boost. And the yellow thing is already starting to occur on these. Boost. Yeah, $25. These are hella comfy though. I do have a pair of those, a Pure Boost with the burrito tongue. And always got one or two of these. These are the Penny 2s. Go for $65. Adidas Forums. Those are size 9, $25 for those. Then in the huge size, got some huge cleats. These are size 12 men's. Yeah, of course, these are $25 as well. And some Kobe 8s. No, not really. RBX. West LA a few days later. Let's go. Starting with apparel, of course. Got a Nike Rams hoodie. I think we've been seeing plenty of these. Normally go for $80 down to $35. Rams and Nike t-shirt, $15. Jordan t-shirt for the kiddos, normally 20 down to 13. Los Angeles Dodgers Mookie Betts t-shirt. These bad boys going for $13. This is pretty fire. This one stood out. Size small North Face hoodie. Material, it's not super thick, but it just feels premium. $25 for that. Normally $75. Wow. And then in the double, triple XL, Horn jerseys, Kelsey jerseys. No Mitchell Ness love, unfortunately. Seeing a bunch of Crocs in the huge sizes. Also seeing those Jordan 1 lows that we've seen everywhere. Did I say Jordan 1 lows? Trying to find some smaller Crocs for my kiddo. They're just coming out in the huge sizes. Got some Vans boots. These are hella interesting because it even has 3M on it, like real 3M. So that's definitely interesting. $37 for these bad boys. Okay. Been seeing these. These ain't bad, dude. I'm not gonna lie. If I didn't get my Reebok answers for the price I got them for, what, $60, I probably would have grabbed one of these. $35 for these solutions, not bad. More Vans right here. This is size 7. These have been at 37 or something. Yeah, $37. Then they have these. This one didn't have a lining. I'd probably grab it $30 for a size 10. That's a little bigger than I need. Never mind. All right, they do have a bunch of sneakers. Not seeing the highest quality. Got these starter Jordan 1s right there. But yeah, not seeing the most quality items. All right, let's move on to the next area. People have been finding Nike jackets and stuff like that. To be really honest, I'm not really looking for jackets. So yeah, I haven't really been stopping by the jacket area. The women's section right here. Do got a Jalen Hurts jersey in the women's. $35 for these. These look dope. They're tapered and stuff like that. Moving on to the women's sneakers. This is the first time I've ever seen these Blazer Jumbos, or Blazer Low Jumbos. $50 for those bad boys right there. That's a 10 or something. I got Jordans right here. What are these? The Jordan 200s or something? $60. Got a couple of pairs right there. Another colorway of those. All right, I did go through their stuff. Not really finding much. I was hoping to find Ultraboost. That's like the big thing that I've been going for, especially size 10 women's, 8.5 men's. Yeah, that's about it. All right, let's go to the next spot. All right, they got another one. What neighborhood is this? Culver City? Let's go. All right, seeing that Under Armour pullover right there. And the size small. Chargers Nike t-shirt going for $13. Then also see this right here, a running pullover, Nike Kenya team. That's an extra small. Going for $20. Was just about to say, hey, mediocre trip, look at this. Look at this. I've not seen one of these ever. This is such an insane find. Yo, when was the last time Reebok made jerseys? There's a Reebok NFL jersey here? What the hell is going on? All right, I had to move out here. Someone was smelling a little ripe over there. But yeah, look at this. Never seen this before. I can't even tell what size. It's a 56. So I think it's like a double XL or something. This is fire. Holy crap. Wonder if I should get it for Bossco or Bobby Thrift. This is insane. Alright, yeah, that person's gone. Yeah, it smelled really gross right here. Got a Jacobs jersey. This is a bigger one. This is size 60. And this is an authentic. Look at this. $325 down to $40. Holy cow, that is insane. That is huge though. But that is insane. I'm 99% sure this is a authentic jersey as well. Finding multiple authentic jerseys. By the way, did I say Jonathan Taylor? This is Fred Taylor. My bad, dude. Tripping. I have to look it up because this is from a while ago, from like 2000, 2002, around 2000ish. That's crazy. And do got more of these Dodgers Mookie Betts shirts going for 13. That's a small. Yeah, just check the medium one more time. No gems in the medium sizes, unfortunately. All right, moving on to sneakers over here. Finding the usual Vans. Got Chucks right there, or not Chucks. Christmas Crocs. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Size 8. Get some of that 8-bit Christmas stuff right there. $25 for those. Tons of Vans here. Holy cow. Do they know the customers here? Because I haven't seen so many Vans. 37 for these. Forum Highs going for 45. Dang, so majority of the spots Crocs are only available in the huge sizes. As soon as I move to 13 and up, see all kinds of Crocs. Smaller size right here. Seeing more of these Forums. Oh, first time seeing these here. $20 for these. These normally go for 50. This is size 15 though. And then we are seeing, what size is this? This is size 13 for these. All right, I'm cutting this short. Gotta go. Never seen this auto checkout at Ross. Oh, what the hell? Oh, okay, so a person right there. They're the ones that take off the sensors, and then I scan it and pay for it, I guess. Okay.